Okay, so designing an airfoil like you see here for wind turbine or plane on OnShape is a little trickier than just your standard 3D design. So I'll show you how I was able to get to this. First of all, let's jump to in OnShape. Here are some instructions about using it once you actually have what's called a script available to help you make the wing or turbine airfoil. Anyway, it says there's two scripts available. Basically, these are little programs that aren't already in OnShape that are specific for making wings or airfoils. One's called NACA XXXX, one's called Profile Generator. I haven't even done it yet, but once you have one of those in your system that is on your computer, then this is how you do it. Select Divine Profile, select Plane for Normal, blah, blah, blah. And it's going to look something like that. But the main thing is that if you look at my OnShape right now, over here with all my tools, there's NX, which is this NACA XXXX. Well, that's not going to be there. It wasn't on my computer up till a minute ago, and it wasn't that easy to figure out how to do, because they say to just go to Search Tools and type in NACA XXXX. That did not work for me. It did not find. Here's Search Tools. It didn't find NACA XXXX. I had to do this. I'm going to go here. You can see my wing document, and notice it said there are two scripts available in the public document Airfoil script. So I had to go and find a public document. So notice that normally you'll be in my OnShape with all of your models that you've made in OnShape, but you can select public here. If I was just to go search, I'd be searching my own stuff because my OnShape is selected. I need to go to public, and then just like they said, I need to search for Airfoil script. Airfoil script. So EROFOIL script. Okay, and this is what pops up, that one looks. This is the one that I had selected earlier. I think at this point it's not gonna. It's gonna show up for me anyway, but so I'm gonna pick the same one that I did. Takes a long time to load up because presumably, so first of all, you can see all these tabs down here. So this is a pretty big program that the person made, so it says this document is view only, so I'm going to make a copy to edit. And script copy. Again, it's got to load all that information. And what I need to do is I need to have this sort of Search Tools thing show up. Now it has. If it doesn't show, if Search Tools isn't there, you might have to go front and, or I didn't have to do that, but say sketch and select a plane. Which isn't even showing up here, but you might have to start a sketch. Let me just say right click, edit. There we go. So I went over here and edited this sketch that was the pre-existing sketch. Then Search Tools for sure should show up. In here, I type NACA XXXX. No items matching my search. Let's go here. Edit. so NACA XXXX shows up. Now again, it's already in mine, but I should be able to click on this. Once I do, NX is here so that you can use it in your own design. Now, let's just check something. I'm going to X out of OnShape, and let's go to OnShape again, re-log on. Now let's create a new document. Let's call it foil. Say OK. And let's just see if at this point, yes, see, once you added it in one of your documents, every time you open it up, that NACA XXXX should be available to use. Don't forget then how, and I'm sure there are YouTube videos to help use it, but this gives the instructions. This is in OnShape. You probably can search Airfoil profile scripts in the search bar here, or you could go to Learning Center and search it there, but you would be looking for Airfoil profile scripts. Great.